Well, environmental groups have welcomed the federal government's decision to assess a major fracking proposal in the Kimberley under national environmental laws. On Friday, the Department of Climate Change, Energy, Environment and Water decided the Valhalla proposal by Bennett Resources, which is looking to drill up to 20 wells in the Canning Basin, would have to be assessed and approved under the Environmental Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act before it can proceed. The decision was made due to findings the proposal could have a significant impact on water resources, heritage values and threatened species such as the greater bilby. Environs Kimberley Executive Director Martin Pritchard spoke about the decision.
And so we're really welcoming the fact that this is a precedent. It's the first shale gas proposal in Australia that the Commonwealth is going to be assessing, and we're really happy that that is happening. Although we would like to have seen it receive a higher level of assessment. It is a controlled action, and we really welcome that. There's 4 matters of national environmental significance, including the national heritage listing of the Pritchard River, threatened species, migratory species, and also really significantly the water trigger. And this is the first time that the water trigger has been used on a shale gas project in Australia. So that means the Commonwealth will have a bit more of a look at the water issues, which are really significant from this fracking proposal. However, we would have liked to have seen probably a public environmental review or an environmental impact statement, so that there is more detail coming out and that the Commonwealth assesses it at a higher level. But we're taking what we've got at the moment, and we're going to make sure that the Commonwealth fully understands the potential impacts here, as well as realise that this would be the thin end of the wedge, and it would be the beginning of turning the Kimberley into a gas field.
That's Executive Director with Environs Kimberley, Martin Pritchard, speaking with Dunya Karagic. And the project is currently also waiting on state EPA approval as well. To the weather now, and a